In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to know who viewed my Instagram profile. If you've ever wondered whether Instagram lets you see exactly who visited your profile, it's important to know this right from the start. Instagram does not provide a direct feature that shows a full list of everyone who viewed your profile. However, there are a few built-in ways to get useful information about who has interacted with your content, and that's what I'll walk you through today. First, open the Instagram app and check your story viewers. If you currently have an active story posted, tap your story from the top of the app or from your profile. Once the story opens, swipe up on the screen or tap the activity section if you see it. Instagram will then show you a list of accounts that viewed that story while it's still active. This is the closest built-in feature Instagram offers for seeing who specifically viewed a piece of your content. Just keep in mind that story viewer information is only available for a limited time after the story is posted. So if you wait too long, that list may no longer be visible. Another option is to look at insights for your posts or reels, but this only applies if you have a professional account. To do this, open Instagram, go to your profile and select one of your posts or reels. Then tap View Insights. Here you'll be able to see performance data such as views, reach, accounts reached, and even profile visits generated by that content. This can be very helpful if your goal is to understand how many people are discovering your profile through your content. Just remember that these insights are statistical data only. They do not reveal the names of the people who viewed your profile. You can also pay attention to profile activity. In many cases, someone may have visited your profile if they followed your account, liked one of your posts, left a comment, replied to your story, or sent you a direct message. These interactions are strong signs that a person saw your content or checked your profile, but they still won't confirm every single profile visit. So, to sum it up, Instagram does let you see story viewers and content insights, and it also gives you clues through engagement and activity. But if you're looking for a private visitor list for your Instagram profile, that feature is not currently available inside Instagram. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you understand what you can and can't see when it comes to Instagram profile views.